Hello cookbook friends, my name is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and I stopped by my local library here in the Seattle area today, where it's been gloomy and rainy for days as it can be in December, and so I couldn't resist this yellow bright cover and this eat, drink, shine, inspiration from our kitchen cookbook. It just looked so bright and I put on a yellow shirt to match it, and this cookbook specializes in gluten-free and paleo-friendly recipes. So if that's not your thing, you don't have to watch this video. I'm not offended. It's by the Blissful Sisters, Jennifer, Jessica, and Jill Emich, or Emich. So I want to check it out. It came out a while ago, 2016. They're big fans of radishes. Off to a good start with a beautiful picture starting right off the bat. Inspiration from our kitchen, and it's from Kyle Books. To all who will read this book, may it serve you well. To all who help shape this book, may we continue to inspire one another. Oh, nice. Okay, let's check out the table of contents. Forward, our story. Chapter 1, Wake Up and Shine. Chapter 2, Starters, Broths, and Soups. Chapter 3, All Dressed Up. Chapter 4, Meat, Fish, and Poultry. Chapter 5, Veggie Sides and Mains. Chapter 6, Smoothies and Beverages. Chapter 7, Sweets and Treats, as many cookbooks end with. Nice picture for the forward. It makes me so happy to see these colors. Okay, their story, I'll read it later. They're sisters, blah, blah, blah. Yay. Beautiful fruit photo. Oh, I have a feeling I'm going to want to revisit this cookbook after New Year's Eve when we've been eating holiday heavy, sugary, fattening foods for months. I'm going to want to eat fruit and veggies. So here's the sisters, Jennifer, Jessica, Jill, the Blissful Sisters, and they wrote an invocation. Service will come from my heart. This is the way of magic and power. This is my way. I will follow my heart and live my dreams fully. I will listen closely. I will share my soul's unique voice in this beautiful symphony of life that I've been gifted. I will show up each and every day in my truth, in my beauty, and from a place of love. I am a creator and I get to choose how I relate with this world. May I be a light for individuals on their path and feel the support of others as I walk mine. We were built for these times. I am ready, I am willing, I am open. Now is the time to shine. Each and every day I will remember this from the heart, the Blissful Sisters. That's beautiful. Okay, the glory of gluten-free and praise for paleo. And I don't eat gluten-free or paleo, but I have a feeling I'm going to want to make lots of these healthy recipes. Wake up and shine. Every morning we get to begin again. Basic sugar scrub. Morning ritual. Perfectly poached eggs with avocado hollandaise. Baked eggs in avocado cups. Our first food photograph of the book, and it looks amazing. And that's a lot of avocados. Amaranth porridge. Homemade ghee. Sweet potato and kale hash. I actually made something similar, but I cheated it and bought the hash from Trader Joe's and just sauteed it. Cured salmon with avocado mash. Nice. Raw paleo sprouted granola. Now I can't show you this whole book, so I need to skip to another chapter and get out of breakfast. So starters, broths, and soups. Why is fermentation all the rage? Is a page in here. And here they are with their family with a basic recipe for soaking nuts and a basic recipe for sprouting seeds. Cultured carrots and ginger. Did I skip soups? Cultured salsa. I think I skipped a chapter. Whoops. Beet hummus. Ooh, yum. Kale chips. Oh, no. Vegetable broth, beef bone broth, chicken bone broth. Okay. And a squash and pear soup with spiced coconut milk. That sounds really good. I wouldn't have combined those. Wow. Vegan wild mushroom bisque. Nice. All dressed up. About herbs. I think I just... Oh, it's a salad chapter? Yes. Excuse me. Why we dig on Whole Foods. Caesar salad with roasted chickpeas. Vegan Caesar dressing with no anchovies, obviously. Okay, some more salads. Chopped garden salad with dairy-free ranch. Mixed green salad with sprouted sunflower seed vinaigrette. Red cabbage and sweet carrot slaw with ginger vinaigrette. I'm not a slaw person, personally. It's too much chewing. Okay, pan-seared steak. Oh, we're on a different chapter now because all of a sudden there's a bunch of meat. Pan-seared fish with crispy skin. Here comes the paleo part, right? Pan-seared steak. Salmon burger patties. Homemade gluten-free breadcrumbs. Fish sticks with tartar sauce, something I haven't attempted to make at home. Seafood stew with basil pesto. Chicken fingers with a picture of a napkin. I'm a little confused why. Don't know. Okay. Dairy-free fried chicken. Sausage and peppers. Grass-fed beef stew. Dad's pot of sauce with meatballs. And Dad's meatball recipe. Braised short ribs. No picture though. Where did you come from? The importance of sourcing your food. So this is a little lecture-y book, but we're here for it. If you're picking up a paleo gluten-free main cookbook, you're okay with that. Veggie sides and mains. Grilled broccoli with lemon. Baked spaghetti squash with some tomatoes and peppers, it looks like. Cauliflower rice. Cauliflower fried rice, even better. Parsnip fries. That wouldn't be my first go-to, but I like fries a lot. Chopped roasted veggies. Creamed kale. I'm not a kale fan, but I'm working on it, and cream would help. Now here's a dairy-free mac and cheese for those of you that need that recipe. Gluten-free pizza crust. Grain-free pizza crust. Is it cauliflower? I'm guessing. And smoothies and beverages. I'm not a smoothie person, but look at this nettle and mint iced tea. I wonder if I could use the annoying nettles that come up in a certain part of my front yard every year. Ugh. And here's watermelon cooler, which I've seen lots and lots of recipes for in cookbooks. It must be a trend. Root to rise coffee. And here's the sweets and treats chapter. I'm going to pick only one because it's a small chapter to show you. Ooh, that's pretty. Well, banana chocolate mousse, raw chocolate dough, chocolate chip paleo cookies. Okay, there you go. That was pretty cool. I feel healthier just looking through it. Eat, drink, and shine, and I promise to try the kale recipe and try to like kale better. If you enjoyed this cookbook look through and review, you can find more of them on the cookbookdivas.com blog. We have a podcast where we talk about cookbooks. It's called Cookbook Divas Podcast. We also post cookbook news and info to Facebook and Instagram, and of course videos on YouTube. Be sure to click like and comment something nice if you enjoyed our videos, because then the social media gods will show you more of our posts. Bye.